Today we will be building a resin heater for the Saturn IV Ultra. I know you can buy them, but they're like £45. Everything you see there cost under £15. 3D printed the case. That was done with resin, but I also printed the same case with ABS. So I'm going to use this one with the ABS plastic. You need a heater system from Amazon or eBay, about £9 odd, and a digital temperature control unit, £3 on AliExpress, about £6 on eBay, and a power supply system. This one is 12 volts, 5 amps. 5 amps is absolutely plenty to run this. I think this was about £3.50 on AliExpress. First thing we need to do is take the screws out. I've already done it, but we'll do it quickly just to show you. Take the fan off, take the spacer. You don't need this bit. Just thread your wires through. That sits snugly in there. Place the spacer back on. And then just thread the wires through for the fan. And then just put the screws back in. Don't over tighten them because you're going into your new case. Last thing you want to do is split it. I didn't film the actual wiring as it is very fiddly in such a tight cramped space, but I will leave a wiring diagram at the end of the video. It's quite simple to do, but quite fiddly at the same time. Placing the temperature probe next to the heater, you can see the temperature climbing on the red display. The blue display is the current temperature cutoff. So it's working as it should. Now time to set it up so it works properly in the 3D printer. Hold both buttons down for a few seconds to put you into programming mode. And basically copy my settings here, turning this one down to 40 as the current setting is way too high. Program 1 is your temperature difference. Turn this from 2 to 1 degrees, so every time it goes over 1 degrees it will switch off. When it goes 1 degrees under, it will switch back on. and program 0 is heating and cooling. It is currently set to cooling. We need to change it to H for heating. As you can see now, the red light indicating the heater has come on. I can already feel the heat coming from the heater element, so everything is working fine. Just checking all the settings are correct, which they are, so if you copy mine you shouldn't have any problems. Everything is now working fine. As you can clearly see, the temperature climbing. It have switched off because the temperature has gone over what the cutoff temperature is supposed to be. And when it goes back down now, I think it's to 27, the heater will click back on to keep it at a stable 28 degrees. Everything is wired up and everything is calibrated exactly fine. It is cutting off when it is supposed to and coming back on when it is supposed to. You can clearly see the temperature climbing in my Saturn IV Ultra even though the lid is open, so everything is working fine. The heater has just cut off now, so shows the thermostat and everything is working correctly as it shut off at the desired temperature. If there's anything you're not sure of or you have any comments, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you didn't like the video, leave a dislike. Anyway, thanks for watching, consider subscribing, see you on the next one.